Welcome back to the Wandering Off channel. Today we are in the beautiful Tropea and we're going to be taking you through some of our favorite spots that we got to try while we were there. We'll be exploring local delicacies, street food, some awesome local desserts, beers, liquors, and we'll be sharing some travel hacks on how to get free aperitivo. Knowing us, we had to jump right into the food, so we stumbled upon what ended up becoming our favorite restaurant in all of Tropea.
We have a nice little spot right on the main street leading up to the beautiful view of Tropea. So this is a mezzolitro of a house wine from Calabria, and we're gonna try it. And I'm gonna tell you what I think.
I smell it. It smells good.
This is like a nice light, subtle, fruity. Overall, just, you know, delicious wine. Subtly packed with flavor. This is my lasagna. Now, though it does not have depth, he suggested it.
It looks really saucy. Like it looks good.
But I love saucy and I love chunky meat. So honestly, I have high hopes. I think it's gonna be delicious despite its looks. Alex's plate looks absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, so I got the frittata, which is basically just like an omelet. It says it comes with Tropean onions. I guess this is the agrodolce, I'm assuming. But like I can't describe the smell to you, but it smells like my grandma's hamburgers. But she puts a lot of onion in those, but like it smells so good.
Go for it.
Oh my god.
Yeah?
The onion isn't like our kind of onions in Montreal. Like it's not like a strong oniony flavor. It almost tastes like more like leeks. So like really fresh and savory. There's a good amount of salt, but like not too much, and almost like sweet because of the onion. Like it's so good. So when I try this, Sam just took a bite.
It's like pickled, but it's delicious.
Definitely still onion. But like, it almost tastes like jam. Like it's like sweet and so good. Nice and saucy. Oh, that drip. Yes, yes sir. Okay.
Oh, it's packed with flavor.
Yeah.
Meat is perfectly seasoned. Cheese is delicious and perfectly melty. And I like my pasta a bit more al dente, so this is great.
Hi. So we weren't hungry, but we walked by a gelato place and we saw that they were advertising onion gelato, and we went in to confirm, and it is true. They do have onion gelato, so we are going to do a live taste test. I have no idea what to expect. Here, I'll film you first.
I'm like really scared.
Wait, oh. So Sam was a wimp and he actually wanted me to try it first. It does smell like onion. Okay, it's good.
It's good?
Yeah, but it almost tastes like apple pie, but like onion. I don't know how to explain it. If you've ever had like sweet caramelized onions, it's like that, but like not oniony, like sour oniony, you know? Like it's just like the onion flavor of caramelized onions. And like maybe cinnamon and like vanilla, like I don't know, but it's good.
Interesting.
Okay, I'm excited.
Just a little chunk of onion in there.
Yes, I know I'm chewing on an onion right now. Am I like totally off? Like what do you think? How would you describe it? Like not having heard my description, like how would you have to describe it? You look unhappy.
That's exactly what I thought it would be. A caramelized onion ice cream.
Well, yeah.
And it was not bad. I would not necessarily say it's great.
I think it's the most absurd flavor I've ever tried. But like if you're gonna make onion ice cream, this is not bad. Like we are just at a terrace in one of the smaller squares in Tropea. Okay, so I got a Saint Germain spritz and Sam got a Campari spritz. Sam's having one of my like I said, my Saint Germain.
This is it.
Yeah, Saint Germain. If you don't know, it's like
elderflower.
Yeah, elderflower liquor. And it literally just tastes like lychee. Even if you have a lot, like it just always tastes like lychee. And then yeah, so this is the food that came with it. So we've got some mortadella and salami, some pieces of an omelet, some pieces of toast with bruschetta, and then there's only one of them that I think has what's it called? Nduja. Then there are peanuts, fried items.
Arancini?
Maybe. Then some stracciatella, but these are like cute colors. I don't know. They don't really show up in the camera, but they're like really
Pinky.
yeah, they're like peachy almost. And then some olives. How are the olives? Not like the ones in Puglia?
Very similar.
Alright.
So, being as though I love cooking, I decided to gather some ingredients, and since our Airbnb has a full kitchen, maybe try to, you know, whip something up together. So some fresh basil, some garlic, and a Calabrian onion, which is, they're known for their onions. Apparently their red onions are a lot sweeter in flavor, a lot less strong and kicky. Yeah, it's a Calabrian pasta called fileja, and it is a pasta made with the nduja. It's like a sausage that they make here. It's very spicy and very, very packed with flavor. I also got a pasta sauce with tomato. It's an arrabbiata with the red onions that I was talking about. And yes, we're gonna dive into that.
It's pecorino.
It's pecorino. So we got some pecorino.
And then we also got
Spicy pecorino.
yeah.
We're gonna take this, we'll make it, and we'll save the rest for later.
If there was a happy place that existed for me, this would be it. I don't think there's any better vibe. You get to hear the beautiful nature and ambiance of an Italian small town while you're cooking such aromatic, beautifully delicious flavors that you don't really get anywhere else in this world. This could also be a really cool way to interact with a local cuisine in a more intricate way. Sometimes you're a bit limited at restaurants with one meal option, where here you can kind of get creative, mix and match, and explore the different flavors that these places have to offer. The smokiness of Tropean nduja paired excellently with the sweetness of the Tropean onions, making this one of the most interesting flavor combinations I've tried in Italy. We topped it with pecorino cheese and fresh basil for a good old time.
Okay, we are on the beach. The sand do be painful. It is very rocky, and Sam thought to bring water shoes. I didn't. So I'm dealing with that. Sam got himself a beer. Sam, what can we say about it?
Arrabbiati.
Okay.
I've been seeing it all over town, so I assumed it's from Calabria. Actually, I think I've seen somewhere where it said it's from Calabria. I don't know, the bottles here don't tell you exactly where it's from.
Anyways, this is the color.
The color, it's blonde. Here, I'll tell you what I think.
Yeah.
That's actually the most flavorful blonde I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah, it has the flavor of an IPA, like the fullness of an IPA. And I love IPAs because IPAs usually taste fruity, like lychee.
Oh, okay, compared to like your Boreal beer.
Okay, my Boreal beer, okay, it tastes very similar to my Boreal beer.
Okay.
You just reminded me of that. But the reason I like this one more than the Boreal beer is it has like a very like bitter aftertaste. This one like, it's just smooth. It goes down perfectly. Honestly, what's the percentage of this? It's actually delicious.
6%.
Okay, wow.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
Right? You won. Good job.
Also, and then here we have tartufo. I've been wanting to try because I think it's basically just like a cold truffle. I'm gonna like cut it down the middle. I think that's like more fun. Okay, it's very hard. I don't know if that's what I'm saying. And it's like covered in cocoa powder because it's like a truffle.
Oh, lovely.
It's like Nutella. It's really good. Oh my god, it's really good.
I'm glad you like it, babe.
Oh my god, it's cold though. We are at a cafe. I'm kidding, it's a restaurant, and it's actually the same one that we had breakfast at. Sam just didn't notice. But I got the the fragola ripiena, which is strawberry flavored, and it is a mixture of semifreddo and gelato. And then I also got a decaf cappuccino, and then Sam got the tartufo rocher, so like Ferrero Rocher, so chocolate hazelnut.
Oh wow, it's hard.
Yeah. Oh, okay, time for you. You got that drip drip on your mouth, honey.
This is beef yours from this morning.
Oh yeah?
That right there, by the way, is what I think is a truffle. Like inside. Good. Yeah, beats it. Always so good.
Okay.
Okay, try the fragola.
I have no idea what to expect. That was so good.
Yeah? What is it?
Really, really good too. It's just, I had like the chocolate flavor in my mouth, but it says semi-freddo, but I think that's sorbet is sorbetta. So I don't know. But it's really good. Me and Sam both really enjoyed the strawberry ice cream, like the strawberry gelato that we got in Bari, and this reminds me of it. So it's like also a really good strawberry flavor.
Yum.
I just got another decaf cappuccino, and Sam is trying grappa for the first time. He just took a whiff, and he was a little taken aback.
Honestly, not as bad as I thought.
No? So Sam just shot the rest of it because he just couldn't. So I ordered the yogurt cup with fruit, and in the picture it looked like it was just like a healthy yogurt cup with fruit and like oatmeal or whatever. But it came with this, and this is gorgeous.
So we got what is officially becoming my favorite street food in Italy. It's just like fried fish, like a delicious batter of like, it's just so well salted, well seasoned, and like they put some other spices in it and give us some nice lemon to throw on top, but it's so delicious.
Is it good? Or is it hot? I don't know the face. It's good? Wins your approval? Nice. See the little squiddy bad boy? Oh, it's so crispy.
Yeah, and well seasoned.
Anyway, so we got an onion soup to share. The onions in Tropea are like super...
They're like sweet.
Yeah, they're like famous for their onions. So we thought that it would be really nice to try the onion soup. Sam, free. Ooh, it's creamy. Thicko.
It's nice after like a cold day.
Yeah? What does it taste like?
Well, it tastes like the onions, so it has like that nice sweet flavor.
So, I got the lasagna, and then Sam got the swordfish rolls.
It looks absolutely delicious.
Yeah, and we've got some grilled vegetables over here. Sam, would you like to try yours first?
I absolutely would.
Ooh, interesting. Can you show what's inside?
Yeah.
Interesting.
It's like stuffed with some potatoes, some onions, garlic.
I wasn't expecting that. And it's good?
The swordfish is like tough in texture.
Yeah.
It's like has some of the flavor of fish. It's like almost crumbly, but it's actually really, really delicious.
Cool. Okay, so this is a lasagna.
Look at that beautiful lasagna.
Gorgeous.
Alex is gonna try that lasagna.
Yeah, so what's nice is like the edges are kind of crispy. You can hear me moving the plate. I like crispy edges, it's just not cutting.
All the best lasagnas are crispy edges.
Yeah, okay, we got.
Look at that bite. Yeah? Yum yum.
It's
Good?
really good.
Okay, glad you're liking it.
So man's be cold and tired and he'd be letting everyone know it. Anyways, so we got a batcho gelato, which is basically chocolate hazelnut, but like dark chocolate hazelnut, so it's delicious. He got a normal cappuccino and I got a decaf cap. Decaf cap. Okay, so I got another decaf coffee. I mean,
lemon hand sanitizer. I mean,
bro.
limoncello.
Take a sippy.
Ooh, it's even better than the one Bari.
Oh yeah? How would you how do you compare the two?
So Bari was very, very like sour, sugary, but like you could really taste the vodka. This one's very tart and sweet, and you can taste the alcohol a little less, but you can feel it in your chest. I don't know why I did that. Maybe it is very strong.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We really hope you enjoyed. These are the spots that we think you have to try in Tropea. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. If you think we missed a spot that other people should know about, let everybody know so that we can all dine better when we travel. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the videos in the future, and thank you for joining us on this ride.